Welcome. This video covers the top 5 security scanning tools used for automated vulnerability detection and assessment. Let's dive in and explore these essential tools. Security scanning involves automated detection through continuous scanning for vulnerabilities across applications and infrastructure. It provides comprehensive coverage across web applications, networks, containers, and cloud environments, ensuring a robust security posture. Number 1. Nessus. Nessus is an industry-leading network vulnerability scanner. It features over 200,000 plugins, providing comprehensive network and application security scanning capabilities. Number 2. Open Web Application Security Project ZAP Proxy, also known as OWASP ZAP. This is a free and open-source proxy tool designed for finding vulnerabilities in web applications during development and testing phases. Number 3. Qualys Vulnerability Management Detection and Response, also known as VMDR. It is a cloud-based security platform offering vulnerability management, detection, and response with artificial intelligence-powered risk prioritization and automated remediation workflows. Number 4. Open Vulnerability Assessment System, also known as OpenVAS. This is a comprehensive free and open-source alternative that provides extensive network vulnerability testing and customizable scanning capabilities. Number 5. Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a professional penetration testing toolkit with advanced manual and automated testing capabilities for web applications. In conclusion, it is important to choose tools based on your specific environment and security requirements. For comprehensive coverage, combine multiple tools and integrate automated scanning into your development lifecycle for proactive security. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.